Jaegar LeCoultre has a long history. Watch and caliber maker brought their watchmakers on site to explain calibers, the complicated new release watches, and even a fire pile to tell their history at the Maison. A Jaegar bag giveout will be announced at the end of the video. Please follow the instructions and secure your chance to win. Hey, what's up? This is Bo at BarakudaTime, a hub of watch and travel enthusiasts. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to receive more episodes at WW2024. Jaegar is one of the most well-known watchmakers, especially caliber maker, who has supported caliber to other brands including Patek Philippe, Vacheron Constantin, and Audemars Piguet. Their Maison shows the pride in their rich history and significant contribution. Now, let's talk to the on-site watchmaker, check out the new release dual-meter moon and triaxial turbulent watches, and enjoy the fabulous historical tour to this brand. Two totally different styles.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Yes.
Tourbillon 3 axis.
I know, I heard it. It's amazing.
So there's a mono pusher here,
Okay.
if you can see, and here is the chronograph part, and this is a
I
column
see.
wheel, we call it, and this
Okay.
is controlling all the function.
Gotcha.
So I push once.
Okay.
Please look closer. The yellow wheel in the middle.
Uh-huh.
Wait. Now it starts to turn, right?
Right.
Yellow one. So this is a chronograph wheel connected to the chronograph second hand.
I see.
And second push is stopped, and then third time coming back to zero.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's how chronograph works.
I see.
Actually, it's quite hard to see, but in the middle of the yellow wheel,
Uh-huh.
there's we call it a heart cam. It's like
Gotcha.
a heart shape. This one.
I see.
So
In a distant history, it all began in 1558 when a Huguenot refugee, Jaegar LeCoultre, who fled religious persecution in France, obtained the coveted status of inhabitant of the city of Geneva. Driven by his taste for adventure and challenge, he left the city of Calvin the following year to acquire his first land in the Valley de Joux. He undertakes to clear the forest, build houses, cultivate cereals, and raise animals. In 1612, his son built a chapel, which marked the birth of the village of Le Sentier. Perched at an altitude of 1,000 meters off any commercial route, the Valley de Joux lives under the reign of a climate that is among the most inhospitable. But its land, rich in natural resources such as water, wood, and iron, encouraged the development of a flourishing metallurgical tradition personified by the blacksmiths of the valley. Confined to their workshops during the long winter months, these craftsmen leveraged their remarkable metalworking skills to learn the watchmaking trade. 10 generations after, in the small family forge in Le Sentier, Antoine LeCoultre learned the mysteries of metallurgy. However, taking over the family forge was not his destiny. Talented and obsessed by excellence, Antoine LeCoultre created new alloys, perfected the vibrating blades of music boxes, and finally laid the foundations of the modern watchmaking industry with the invention of the pinion-cutting machine. He took it upon himself to invent the tools, like the millionometre, required to develop the smallest component with an unprecedented level of precision. In 1833, he transformed a small family bar into a watchmaking atelier to create timepieces of great accuracy. A few years later, the first full-fledged manufacture was established. Every aspect of watchmaking craftsmanship together under one roof. In this quest for precision, Jaegar LeCoultre's watchmakers invented the trailblazing dual-mètre concept. Two independent gear trains in a single mechanism work in complete harmony to guarantee unparalleled performance and precision. Today, they persist in defying the impossible, firmly establishing themselves as the pioneers of precision. Jaegar LeCoultre, the precision maker.
Here we are announcing the third souvenir bag giveout. If you have not, please feel free to check out the previous two and put in your tickets. In this one, the winner of the giveout will receive a Jaeger canvas bag. Same rules. To qualify for the canvas bag, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel, hit the like button on the video, and leave a comment stating you are interested in the bag. After this video receives 1,000 likes, the lottery will be closed and the winner will be announced at the pinned comment of this video. I will notify the winner by responding to your comment. After confirming your address, like, comment, and subscription, I'll ship this back to your address free of charge. Do you like the documentary on Jaeger brand around the fire pyre? Please leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Don't forget to get your chance for the Jaeger bag giveout. More Maison tour episodes at Watch and Wonders 2024 will come in this channel. Please leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Don't forget to get your chance for the Jaeger bag giveout. More Maison tour episodes at Watch and Wonders 2024 will come in this channel. I'll see you soon.
It reconciles precision and timekeeping and the addition of complication.